All right, how are we doing today? This is Brandon Runyons with Pulaski Technical College here in North Little Rock, Arkansas. Today we're going to go over the online platform we have for Quality Control Inspector. And we get to it through our website. Everybody will be given a username and password to be able to log on to the system. Once they log on, you'll see this little logo up here in the top, BB. That's our Blackboard. That's our online platform for courses. Quality Control Inspector. This is where students will see whether they have announcements, whether they have a test that's due, any quizzes once the quizzes are graded, where they'll come through and look to see what their grades are for different quizzes and worksheets that they'll have to turn in through the online course. Come here to course content, and we will see the different modules. We've got Introduction to Weatherization, House as a System, Regulations and Standards, Purpose of Monitoring and Inspecting, and so on. All of our modules for the Quality Control Inspector course. We'll click on one here so we can see what's involved here in the modules. Each module is set up the same way. We've got first listed is our objectives for that module, and then each one of the modules has the instructor giving the lesson to them with the PowerPoint, so they'll be able to watch.
My name is Adrian Correa. I'm with Pulaski Technical College.
They'll be able to watch each module with an instructor teaching it, and they'll be able to watch this as many times as they would like, as well as the lecture notes for each lecture. We've got all of those listed through there. So just like having a textbook, they'll be able to go back and refer to those as many times as they would like to. Each section has a quiz. They'll be able to log on and take the quiz. We'll just run through one here real quick. You'll see they've got 15 minutes to take the quiz. They're allowed 2 attempts each one. So they'll be able to go through here. This one has 4. We'll just skip to the end and then save and submit, and they will be able to get a grade for that quiz. So we'll come back here to course content. So right here is different links for them to go to. Understanding effective R value, basic modes of heat transfer. Different courses, if they don't have the building science background and they're taking this online course, some of the stuff that we cover here, being as this is an advanced course, this is just some reference material for them to go back to be able to get up to date on some of the subjects. And then each section will have a discussion where students will be able to go in and enter questions or enter, just like if they were in class, tell their horror stories or ask questions to the instructor, and these get emailed directly to the instructor. They can reply based off what the instructor put in, or they will be able to enter a new one. They can create their own discussion. So if they've got a question they would like to ask the instructor on this module, they can do that. And all the modules will be set up that way. And then we also have some modules that have some how-to videos in them. So they'll be able to go through and watch the instructor set up duct blasters, blower doors, and know how to use them before they get that field visit. Be familiar with what they look like, what they do, before we get to that field visit. So this is our online platform. We've got that for each of the modules. We thank you for checking it out with us today. Hope to see you soon.